Baby Crypto Pig here, and I'm here locked into this vortex of hell. And I'm here today to join old Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing on YouTube partner to sidestep and audible the criminal gangster cartel. Hello!
Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. In this quick update on Dappt, you can see we used to talk about this for a little bit of time, but look at this. I mean, the same technical analysis that we've went over from all the way back here still applies. Remember when we were talking about this and we said if you wanted to make a play on this, you have to buy it when it comes near this lower support. And look at that. I mean, just look at this. Over the last couple of weeks since we talked about this last time, you can see it came down to that lower support at point, a bunch of zeros, 4939, pumped up to the red resistance volume indicator zone, rejected. Then it went down and sideways for about a week, and look what it just did. Had a big pump right back up into that upper resistance. See that? Right back up, exactly what we're talking about. The way you play this coin in the last month, really month and a half, is it gets down near this lower support. You play the pump, you sell at the red resistance zone, the volume indicator. Then it took a little bit longer here, but pumped up, you saw it at the red resistance zone. And then it even did it twice here. Look at this. Then it came immediately back down. Oh, God. Immediately back down on the dump. Right after it pumped, did it again. You saw that resistance zone. Then it did it a third time. Did it again. Saw that resistance zone. And now it's struggling sideways to down along that resistance zone again. And it's only a matter of time before it breaks up to the upside again and plays this all over again. And that's why we've been telling you, Mr. EGIX Sniper, that this is how you play this coin because you like to play the volatility. And again, just like we were talking about when it was back here, when it hits this support zone or level or near it, that is when you play the pump. See that? Every time. But you sell the red zone. You sell the volume indicator resistance. You sell the 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 resistance, right? Yeah, sometimes you get a bigger wick up, but you sell it right into that red support zone, and then you wait for it to come back down again until this pattern breaks. But so far, the pattern has been doing the same exact thing time and time again and over again. And as we go into AGIX, you can see it. This is similar to that coin. It's getting bought up if we zoom out to the 3-hour time frame. The last few weeks, it comes to support, pumps to resistance. So, God, sell off, right? See that? And then it does it all over again. Comes to support, goes to resistance, sell off. Back down to support, pumps up to resistance, sell off, right? And that's right now the current pattern that you're in. It's you buy support, you sell resistance. But if we zoom out to the farther out time frame, you can see it's trying to break out of this falling channel, and eventually the buyers are going to get exhausted here. As you can see, we had a big pump there that we called, and it came up to the 200-day moving average in that local time frame. But then the next pump smaller, the next pump smaller. What could be happening here is eventually you're going to come to the downside and back test this major underneath support of this falling channel that we were in for quite some time. But right now, you got your upper resistance at about the 0.5 3/4 cents, and you got your major lower support as long as it holds in this blue support box at about 3 3/4 cents, right? So that's what we're looking at on AGIX, and that's what we're looking at in Dappt. If we go look real quick, as I'm watching some college football, you can see, check me out on my other channel, College Football News, for all the highlights and updates that you would ever want and ask for and need on all the big games here in college football. But you can see XRP is sitting there just below that 37 cents. And right now the price is starting to go up and sideways as the volume continues to decline. If we zoom into the 1-hour time frame, you can see after this nice pump, you got the volume going down while the price is going up. The volume going down while the price is going up. The volume going down while the price is going up, meeting nearly that upper resistance, and it's starting to form that rounding top. I think what's going to happen here is the price is going to end up coming back down for another double bottom here, as this seems to be a bearish divergence in the volume, a hidden bearish divergence in the volume, where you have a crashing volume and a rising price that's starting to round out, which is often, but not always, a sign that the buyers or the bulls are being exhausted and the sellers or the bears are starting to take over the market and the price is going to come down. And that's what we're going to pay attention for and watch out for today. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit that bell notification for all your latest, greatest highlights and coin updates. Peace and love to you. Yes, you. Look at yourself in the mirror, beautiful audience.